I'm Bethany, and this is my son Avery. Nobody's going to know about us if we don't put ourselves out there.
We make diamond painting patterns.
It was Avery who got me interested in it. And one of the problems that I started having was I love diamond painting, but there wasn't anything that I would actually hang in my house. I really love product development. And so I decided I wanted to go with something you could hang on your front door and you could show off to your friends. Designed a 12-inch wood round. The diamond painting is adhered to the wood round, and you can seal it, hang it on your front door, hang it in your house. There's all sorts of themes. You can see them behind me here. This is a brand new one that's not even released yet. How cool would that be in a hamburger joint? So these are round drills. So this is what it looks like. It's a square drill. It's a square grid pattern for round drills. And what I found is that this was just easier on the eyes. I'm 46 years old and I'm already having trouble seeing that small. And I found that the square grid, just my eyes can just see it a lot better. There is something else that we both worked on that we created recently, and this is a download. You print it at home and you use your leftover drills, because you know if you're doing any diamond painting at all, you have leftover drills. Avery and I, we keep all of our leftover drills. Do you still keep your leftover ones from the kits you're doing?
Yep, as much as I can.
Yeah, we hate to throw them away. And so it's like, okay, now we have all these drills. What do we do with them? Avery has really spearheaded this, where he's begun to create patterns that you download and you print off at home. You can apply double stick tape, which is one of my favorites, or I've just been getting into this too, and it is the dot stick adhesive. So it's the glue. It's thin, kind of like Elmer's glue. You just take it, brush on a coat of it. It dries fairly quickly. It dried in, I would say, about an hour. And I'm just really impressed with how this works. Avery designed these bookmarks, and then I used my leftover drills. You can download these. I will leave a link in the description below. I don't even make 1 cent on these. It's just so that you have something to use for your leftover drills. When you download it, this is what it looks like. It's going to look exactly like this. One sheet, you just print it out. I would recommend printing it on cardstock, or if you can laminate it, that's what I did here. I laminated it and then just went from there. So look for that download in the description below. He has an Etsy shop, and do you want to get your books and kind of show some of the designs and stuff?
These are just some of the designs that I've made and are currently purchasable on my store. I do sell some of these as stickers too, not only as digital downloads, but we got a beach bundle, right? Fruit bundle, a winter bundle, and I just got all sorts of them. So far I got 16 different sets, and I'm currently experimenting with other designs such as trading cards or even foldable diamond paintings.
Love that pizza.
So
I have covered the top of my laptop with Avery's stickers that I've done. And so I decided that I wanted to get a big picture frame, paint it black, have it out here in my shop, and attach stickers to it. Just fill it up with stickers. Here's the first one. Isn't that cute? Little Nemo. Throw them on your laptop like I do. Well, that's our first show, and I hope that you guys will come back and see what we're doing next time.
just thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.